If you're tired of running out of ice right when guests arrive, waiting hours for freezer trays to fill, or constantly buying bags of ice from the store, you're definitely not the only one. It's one of those everyday frustrations that doesn't seem like a big deal until you need ice fast. That's exactly why countertop ice makers have become so popular. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dumos Countertop Ice Maker to find out if it's actually worth buying or if your freezer can do the job just as well. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Dumos Countertop Ice Maker is designed for people who want a quick, reliable supply of ice without installing a dedicated ice machine. Whether you're hosting parties, making iced coffee every morning, filling coolers for camping trips, or simply want fresh ice available throughout the day, this compact appliance promises convenience with very little effort. On paper, the features sound impressive, but what really matters is how it performs during everyday use. Right away, the design makes a good first impression. The modern black finish gives it a clean, minimalist look that blends nicely into most kitchens, offices, RVs, or home bars. It's compact enough to sit comfortably on a countertop without taking over valuable space, and the built-in carrying handle makes moving it from room to room surprisingly easy. Even though it's lightweight, the machine feels solid enough for regular use, and the transparent viewing window lets you watch the ice-making process without opening the lid. Small details like the removable ice basket and included scoop make the overall experience feel thoughtful and practical. Using the machine couldn't be much simpler. You fill the water reservoir, choose between the two available ice cube sizes, press the power button, and let the machine do the rest. One of its biggest selling points is speed, and in real-world use, it delivers. The first batch of 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes can be ready in about 6 minutes, which is much faster than waiting for traditional ice trays. Throughout the day, it continues producing fresh ice until the basket is full, making it ideal for family gatherings, movie nights, or anyone who regularly enjoys cold drinks. The quality of the ice is also worth mentioning. The rounded bullet-shaped cubes are smooth, making them comfortable to chew for people who enjoy eating ice. The smaller cubes work well for bottled drinks and quickly chilling beverages, while the larger cubes are better suited for iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, and soft drinks where slower melting is appreciated. Having both options gives you flexibility depending on what you're serving. Another area where the Dumos perform well is convenience. The control panel is refreshingly straightforward, with indicator lights letting you know when the water level is low or when the ice basket needs to be emptied. It also operates surprisingly quietly, producing less noise than many people expect from an appliance that constantly freezes water. That makes it suitable for apartments, offices, or even running early in the morning without becoming distracting. Maintenance is equally simple thanks to the built-in self-cleaning function, which helps reduce mineral buildup and keeps the machine fresh with very little effort. Of course, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Like most countertop ice makers, this machine stores ice, but doesn't keep it permanently frozen. If the basket becomes full and the ice sits for a while, it will gradually melt and recycle back into the water reservoir to be frozen again. That's completely normal for this category of appliance, but something first-time buyers should understand. It's also best suited for everyday use and small gatherings rather than supplying ice for very large parties over extended periods. Overall, the Dumos Countertop Ice Maker is an excellent choice for busy families, coffee lovers, home entertainers, RV owners, and anyone who regularly needs fresh ice without the hassle of freezer trays. It solves a simple but common problem, works quickly, and requires very little maintenance. If you're looking for an affordable countertop ice maker that delivers dependable everyday performance, this one deserves a place on your shortlist. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description to see the latest price and any available discounts before they change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.